Today, I will discuss how to reset a forgotten root password on a standalone ESXi host. For this, we need to download a bootable CD image. In this lab session, I have downloaded and created a bootable CD using Ubuntu. The download link will be in the description. Please note, this method is only applicable for ESXi 6.7 and below versions. ESXi 7 and above versions are not supported with this method. Before starting, boot the ESXi host from the bootable CD or USB. Select Try Ubuntu without installation and click Enter. After booting with the live CD, open the terminal. Run the following command to acquire root privileges. We need to find the bootbank disk, and in ESXi, its content is typically on SDA5. First, you need to create 3 directories. I will create a MNT directory and an SDA5 directory inside the MNT directory. Then, create a temp directory. You can see the 2 new directories, and inside MNT, you can see the SDA5 directory. Now, we need to mount the ESXi system partition with this command. You can check inside the SDA5 directory inside the MNT directory whether the mount completed successfully. Go to the SDA5 directory inside MNT and find the state.tgz file. Then extract this file to the temp directory. Go to the temp directory, and you can see the extracted file named local.tgz. Then, you need to extract the local.tgz file in the same directory, and now you can see the etc directory. Remove the local.tgz file to avoid any confusion. Go inside the etc directory and open the shadow file using a text editor. This file contains password details with encryption, and you need to delete the selected line. Then, save the settings and exit from the text editor. Now, you need to archive directories with edited shadow file and locate them as original. First, navigate to the temp folder. This folder contains the etc directory, and I will archive this as local.tgz. Then, archive local.tgz as state.tgz. Then, you can move the state.tgz file to the SDA5 directory inside the MNT directory. Finally, you can run the unmount command. Then, you need to reboot the ESXi host and wait for the ESXi booting process to complete. Now, you can access the ESXi host without any password. Press F2, and you can click Enter without inserting any password. You can see the password is not set, and now you can set a new password. Click Configure Password, and insert a new password and confirm the password. Leave the old password field empty. Congratulations! You have successfully reset the ESXi root password. Now you can log in to the ESXi host using the new password. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.